What we're going to do today is fix a Veri Shade tube track that one of the blades is not turning. In this case, it's the third one. If you look at it closely, all the other carriers are turning, but that third one. So how do we fix that? Okay, so what we want to do is we want to take that third carrier out, the one that was not moving. So we take him out, just on an angle like so, just pops out. Put it in the same position the other ones. They're all horizontal at the moment, so we want to put him in horizontal the same as those. Now it mightn't be exactly in the same position, but once we rotate the wand, they will all line back up. So we want to rotate the wand in the clockwise position first. Keep going until it's in the exact position. Then what we're going to do is rotate anti-clockwise until it hits the clutch system again and they're lined up. Now all 6 carriers are working and you should be able to put your hangers back up and away you go.